Here's how to log into your Discord using a QR code. So first, you can go ahead and launch a web browser to use the Discord website, or you can also launch the Discord application if you have it installed on your device. Then after, go ahead and try login into your account. In the login page, you'll get the section of email or phone number and password to manually log into your account. And beside that, you'll get a QR code. Here it says log in with a QR code and scan this with the Discord mobile app to log in instantly. You also have the option to sign in with a passkey. You need to have the Discord application installed on your mobile device. Then after, launch your mobile device and tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon at the top to open your settings and scroll down and select scan QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen with your phone's camera and finally confirm your decision by tapping on login and you'll be done. You should now be logged in to your Discord account on your computer. It's that easy. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.